What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and it's time for another massive tech unboxing. This is number 27. I don't even know what we're gonna call this thing after 30, but we'll figure that out. But you guys know what to do. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks, because we got a ton of tech to open up. All right, Ari, go ahead. Pick the first one. This guy? Hey, the small one. Oh, from Beats. So, what we got over here are the brand new Beats Solo Pros. So, this is part of the newest pair of headphones from the Beats line. You guys know, back in the day, they had the Beats Studios and the Solos and a bunch of other random ones, and this is their newest version. It's so funny, I remember when Beats was known for the best packaging you could possibly get on a pair of headphones, and the experience is still pretty good. We got accessories down here at the bottom of the box. So we got our lightning cable, carabiner clip for this case over here. And this is interesting. This looks like a hard shell case, but it's actually soft. So it's got this like felt material. Feels pretty good. Now it's interesting because we got the gray version and it doesn't really look gray. Based on the box and what I'm seeing right in front of me, this looks more so like a dark beige, you would say, right, Ari?
Yeah, I mean, it looks perfect for me.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we're not gonna lie to you guys. We saw the colors. Ari's been wanting a pair of headphones, and we're like, you know what? After I review these and, you know, put my thoughts out there, she could go ahead and have them, because I'm a nice guy, you know. Oh, so that's interesting. So it's got this cool feature right here on the sticker. It says you fold them to power them off, and when you want to power them on, you pretty much go like this. And I'm sure there's a power button built right into the B as well. So the difference between Solo Pros and I guess Studios, the Studios have an over-ear design, so they're gonna go around your ears, while the Solos go directly on the ears. Now, this is good when it comes to bass, because you can really feel it on the ears. That experience with the bass is just gonna be awesome. So this is gonna be fun. We're gonna try these out, we're gonna review them, and let you guys know what we think. Jay, you go ahead too, man. You're part of the process now. That one? Jay would pick the biggest, most difficult to get box. I think I know what this is. Hey, haha. So what we got right here, guys. Ha! A little something from my good friends over at Gundam Planet. We got these awesome Gundam bust figures. So this is going to be amazing in the office. So shout out to my friends over at Gundam Planet. You guys know that's where I pick up all my Gundams. I'll have them linked down below in the description. I'll have these linked as well. We got what, the Sasabi here. And this one is what, the 78 GPO1. Oh man, I'm not gonna do that. We're not doing that here today. Shall we get one of these guys open? I think this is from Microsoft. These box, huh?
There's a pull tab.
Oh, there's a pull tab. I'm here doing all this stupidness. Hey, shout out to having a wife, guys. So, what we got right here, guys, is the Surface Laptop 3 15-inch edition. And this guy actually has that Ryzen processor that Microsoft collaborated on them with. So we should be able to do some decent gaming and whatnot. This thing looks awesome. Now, the big thing for me and the Surface Laptop is how amazing the keyboard feels. That's that nice goodness right there. That's nice. So I'm interested in trying this out. This has the Ryzen 7 Microsoft Surface Edition processor. So if you guys wanna see a video, let me know with a comment down below. We got some more Microsoft stuff though, so let's open that up. Ari, did you know there's a pull tab for this?
No.
Oh, see a pen, you know what that means. Hey, Surface Pro 7. We got that new type cover. This is the Surface Pro signature type cover keyboard with that Alcantara. So we got the new Surface Pro 7, Microsoft Surface laptop. You guys let me know, which one do you want to see covered first on the channel? Let me know with a comment down below. All right, so what else should we go for? Let me grab one of these guys. Feels like a phone. Oh, this is the Oppo Reno 2. Wait, is this the one that we asked him about a while ago? This is not the one that we asked him about. So this is the Oppo Reno 2. This is actually a good looking phone. Oh snap, we got four cameras. 5x hybrid zoom, ultra dark mode. I'm guessing it's dark mode with an OLED screen. Ultra steady video, 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED screen, 4,000 milliamp hour battery with flash charge 3.0. So that's what we're dealing with. And I gotta say, this is a really good looking phone. But trust me, I know what you guys are waiting for. You want me to get my hands on that Oppo Reno Ace, the Gundam phone. You guys were blowing me up on Instagram and Twitter about it, but we'll see if we can get our hands on that. If I do, you guys are definitely gonna see a video on it. And for those of you interested in what else comes in the box, you got your chargers, you got your little earbuds, and you got your USB cable. Huh? This guy right here? Okay, why not? What is this? Oh, protective laptop sleeve. And this one's interesting. It looks like it has a bunch of little compartments here so that if you want to pack more than just your laptop, you can go ahead and do that. That's kind of cool. So if you don't want to carry a backpack, which you'd have to be kind of crazy not to, but if you don't want to, you got that. And we got, I'm guessing, some kind of messenger bag. And yeah, it's a backpack. For those of you who aren't crazy, you got a leather strap over here to open it. Boom, spots for your laptop, your tablet.
Books, maybe?
Oh, yes, yes. Books, you know, for the studious types out there. Did they give us two? Oh no, this is a different kind of backpack altogether, I think. Okay, so they got another backpack over here. This one is a bit more square, solid material choices, lots of compartments up front. Oh, this is clean. No, this is actually like a really clean laptop bag. But all right, Tom Talk. I've never heard of the company, but from what I've seen so far, they make solid feeling stuff. Oh, so we got a Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. We actually just did a video about this. If you guys didn't see that, go check it out. Links down below in the description. That video was actually pretty fun. Don't judge my Apex skills on that though. It's just a bad day.
That's everything.
Don't, hey, you traitor. Yes. So I don't know how many of you know, but the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse is my favorite mouse ever. They came out with a new one. This guy right here is the Logitech G604. I've been waiting for them to remake this controller or this mouse. All right, so the first one felt great in the hand. The ergonomics are awesome, and it's really good for editing, so I'm hoping they didn't mess it up. Inside of here, you throw in that battery and you have the dongle. Now, what's nice about this one is it has the dongle, but it also uses Bluetooth. So if you don't want to use this guy, a Bluetooth connection I think will be a lot more reliable. Not bad, not bad. Let me get the other one right now. So here we've got the original 602, and here is the 604. Now, off of looks alone, I do think this one kind of looks a bit better, but in terms of feel in the hand, oh.
The project over there.
Oh, snap, my bad.
Jay's hard work.
But yeah, so it looks like they changed, oh, they made this smaller. That sucks. Is it easy to, okay, it's not a big deal, it's not a big deal.
When's the last time you edited anything? Jay should try them. Let Jay feel them.
You rude, you rude. Jay, what you think? What you think though?
Yeah, we're
I
not
think they feel the
replacing
same.
They feel the same? One thing that's nice though is that, and that you'll enjoy, Jay, is this scroll wheel right here. Now you can move it left or right. Now it's so interesting, we're all hype about it because it works really well for editing, but this is a gaming mouse. So you can have all these buttons here on the side. But for us editors, I'm telling you, this thing is,
us editors.
get out, get out. Jay, you gotta give us the review though. You're gonna be the one. Oh, this is from Lenovo. This is the Lenovo Mirage Artificial Reality Dimension of Heroes. This one, they have a collaboration with Marvel, so you can see all the Avengers up here. You can play as all the different ones in this headset. So this is actually gonna be interesting to try out. But this is a cool, interesting headset. You basically, it's AR, so you put it on and you're able to see everything around you as you normally would, but you have all these like different things pop up in your space. But it is pretty interesting. I'll give it a shot and let you guys know what I think. They said a passenger couldn't take this on the plane. It had to go in the cargo area. I have no idea what it is. It's from the P.O. box. Oh snap, Anchor sent a bunch of stuff, huh? RAV power? What's RAV power? That's weird. Ooh, somebody at Anchor is using RAV power stuff.
Someone lost their charging brick.
Ooh, somebody put their own charging brick inside the box. Hold on. There's more to this story than it looks. So the real products here are from real Graphene. And I think they sent this Anchor stuff and even the RAV Power stuff to compare charging speeds. Now, what they're supposed to be trying to do here is provide a much faster portable charger charging experience. They're supposed to be able to charge this 3.5 to 5 times faster than other portable chargers out there. So we got a 20,000 milliamp hour and a 10,000 milliamp hour, and we'll give it a shot. Okay, now this is something I have been waiting for. So when I actually got this in hand, I really didn't know if I wanted to wait for this video, but here we are. Oh yeah, baby. Inside of here, we've got the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. Now, you guys might have seen my video about this and know how much I love it. And I had to unfortunately give that one back. Woo-wee. Now, this guy is basically the laptop with 2 screens. Ooh, look at that unboxing experience though.
Oh yeah, you never got to unbox one.
Yeah, because I got the laptop itself. I didn't get the whole box. So it pops right out and we get to use the pen. And we even get a wrist rest that I didn't get to try out. And you see this color? They picked the best color possible for this thing. All right, here it is, y'all. The Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. So this is it, guys. You know, we got that nice 4K screen over here. We got a second screen at the bottom, which is way more useful than you'd think. It's not a gimmick. This thing is actually extremely useful. You got your keypad here, and you see that it's all the way at the bottom. So that's why you want to get this guy, and you place it right here so you can get that regular experience. Trackpad's on the right, as well as a keypad that if you can turn on and off. But this is it, guys. This is an awesome, awesome laptop. I am so glad that it's home. Xbox.
Oh my gosh, more Xbox.
It's another Elite Series 2 controller. Can't be mad at that. I guess we gotta give one away, right? Yeah, it's only right. So, where are we doing this giveaway, Ari? IG. Follow me up. Oh, snap, Amazon code. Follow me on Instagram if you want a chance at winning an Elite Series 2 controller. I have my Instagram page linked down below in the description. I'll make a post. It'll be easy. Just comment, follow. It should be entered. That Microsoft love is strong. Wait a minute. These are all from the UPS store.
Oh no.
We have no idea how this is gonna end. All right, we'll start with this bag. Orbitkey. No more broken fingernails, fits up to 10 keys securely. So the idea here is to have basically your regular key. Oh, my hands are ashy. Y'all not about to catch me. Hold on.
Don't let them catch you slipping.
Can't let them. You know, you just throw your keys in, you get everything inside, and when you're done, you just kind of turn it, and then boom. Simple enough. I got lotiony hands right now, so it's kind of hard to do that. So they got like a tracker thing too. It says find with Chipolo, and they got a bunch of other stuff. Thank you, Orbitkey, for sending this over. If you guys want to check them out, links below. GameSir. So this is kind of like what I featured in that recent video.
Oh right, the top 550.
Yeah, links down below in the description to that too. But this is pretty much a gaming pad that you can throw your smartphone on. Take your phone and you just throw it in here. Jake, can I borrow your phone for just a second? So the idea here is to be able to just throw your phone inside, and then once you get it, you know, synced and everything, you're able to start playing your game. You got buttons in the back, you got the joystick over here, and then you got these buttons at the bottom so that you can do whatever it is you need to do. Feels pretty secure too, so I like that. Jay's like, don't mess with my phone, man. But it does have nice little ridges here on the actual controller grip, so you can throw it in there and it'll stay safe. Don't worry, Jay. They thought about you caseless monsters out there. All right, last box. Let's hope the P.O. box doesn't fail us here. Create an impact.
Oh, I like
Gear 4. Okay.
Wow.
All right, well, boom. Okay, so are these phone cases? Is that what we're looking at here? Hard shell.
God, actually, we just talked about that with Jay and his case.
Oh.
It's like, put a case on it.
All right, where's the 6.5 inch? Jay, they only gave these colors, so you know, we gotta go with the teal looking one, man. Okay, it's like a see-through looking. Yeah, Jay, all right. That grip though. Jay, this thing is drop test? That about wraps it up for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Shout out to all the companies who sent something over. Let me know what you guys think, what you think I should absolutely cover. You know we're gonna cover those Surface laptops. And what else? That G604, the Beats. There's some good stuff in here, y'all. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram if you want a chance at the Xbox Series 2 Elite controller. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.